Hi, in this class we are discussing about the remaining task. So now this is the command task. So command task we can use for Unix and DOS commands to move the file or to copy the file, to delete the file, add, delete, copy, paste. We can use these commands. So just I'm creating a command here to move the file from one location to another location. So first see what are the files we have. Okay, here we have para.txt. This file I'm moving into the D folder. Okay, so move c:\para.txt into c:\D folder. Click on OK, save and run. Workflow, start workflow. So three tasks are running. Okay, successfully completed. Just check whether the file is available or not here. So para.txt not available here. Okay, there is no para.txt in C location. Just go to D. Here we have para.txt. So like this we can move and we can copy, add and delete the files from one location to another location. We can use DOS and Unix commands using command task. The next task is, so this one completed, decision. Next task is assignment. Assignment we are using to create the variable values. So just I'm giving one example how we can use the assignment task. So first we need to create the variable. Go to workflows, edit, variables, create one. Okay, count, make it persistent, then only it will store the value in the repository database. Okay, so here first I'm using this assignment user defined count. So every time I'm incrementing the count plus 1. Okay, not here, just a second, I'll explain in detail. So first we need to increment the assignment value here. Here user defined, every time I'm incrementing plus 1. Okay, for every execution. So here I'm creating condition. The first session status equal to succeeded. Sorry. Okay, so when this session is successfully completed, then only this assignment task will run. Then the assignment task value will increase. Okay, for first execution the assignment value 1, for second execution the assignment value 2. Like this it will increment the assignment value. So here I am checking when first session is after first session 3 execution, I want to run this session. Okay, just go here and create condition when this count equal to 3. When the first execution is executed, when that first execution is completed, the 3 executions, then this session will start. So based on the dependency, we can use assignment task. For example, this is the weekly run. Okay, so 3 times we schedule this one. So based on this, we have dependency for this. Okay, when this first execution completed, 3 executions mean 3 weeks execution completed, just I want to run this execution. So that is my requirement. Okay, we'll see whether it will work or not. Workflow, start workflow. So only first session is running and assignment will also run, but the second session is not running. Okay, run this one again. Not this one, entire session we need to run. If you run this session, only this session will run, assignment task will not run, the value will not increment. Okay, so start, restart, this is second time. Okay, and run third time. Now the second session also executed, because this is the first run, means 1, 2 and 3 executions are completed. So based on that, 3 times the first session is succeeded. So for every time the assignment variable value will increased. Okay, so like this we can use that assignment task variable value for another different purposes. So here we are using for the count. Okay, so for another purposes, in the condition, in SQL override conditions also we can use these variables with the like parameters with the default values. Workflow, edit, in variables we can give the default values. The default values we can use in the overrides also. Okay, this is assignment task. And next, control task we can use, like in real time we have lot of mappings, lot of session, lot of dependencies. In one workflow we'll have not only single session, more than one sessions we have 10, 15 based on the requirement we'll have. Okay, so in any middle of the session, if you want to control, if particular session fails, just stop entire execution. If you want to control the entire workflow execution, okay, then you can use the control task to control the particular session. Okay, here we created this control task on particular session. So anywhere we can create this control task. From the session to the control we have only link. From the control we don't have any other links to give connection to any other session or task. So using this control task we can control this session. Okay, so here you have option: fail me, fail parent, stop parent, abort parent, fail top level workflow. Okay, fail top level workflow. So when this session is failed, then fail top level workflow. But now this session is running successfully, that's why I'm taking another option, status equal to failed. Okay, SUCC succeeded. When this session status is succeeded, instead of failed I'm taking succeeded, because this session is successfully running. Okay, so I have some other dependencies. Okay, so like this 2 level will start same time. Okay, save it and run. So first two sessions are running. If second session is successfully completed, the control task will work. Fail, top level, workflow. Okay. So like this we can control using control task in the middle of the workflow. Anywhere we can control the entire workflow execution. Okay. If any other sessions are running, that session also will fail. Okay, but in time the three are completed. This is the control task. N number of control tasks we can use in n number of with n number of sessions. Okay, next one is file event wait. So this event wait we can use different purposes. Event wait with the event trace or for file watch. So for example, in this session I'm using a file. That file we are getting daily 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, daily. That is a daily status file. Okay. So but we have to watch whether we are getting that file daily at proper time or not, in proper path or not. Okay, so instead of manual monitoring we can use event wait. The event wait will monitor file or created or not. When file is ready in particular location, then only the session will run, because in that session the source is a file. If the file is available in the particular path, then only the session will execute successfully, otherwise it will fail. So instead of monitoring we can use event wait to monitor the file. Okay, so here events, go to events. In the C location we have para.txt. Okay, para.txt we have. Save it. Go to, so D location we have para.txt. There is no para.txt in the C location. Okay, workflow, start workflow. So still event wait is running because file is not there in the C location. Okay, it is waiting for the file. When file is ready, this execution will successfully completed, then the second session will run. Okay, so I am creating that file from D2 here. Cut, paste. Okay, it succeeded and this is also completed. So event wait we can use for file watch. Another one is event wait and event trace. Okay, so this is for internal purpose, event wait and event trace. So we have to create a manual event here. Workflow, edit, event, just add. So nothing to add any conditions or anything here, any command, just the event we created. So here add that event. Okay, here properties, user define, add that event, enable past events, save it. So here we can create the condition when this session successfully completed, run this. So when this session successfully executed, this event trace will release that event to event wait. When this when it is received, then only this session will start. Okay, workflow, start workflow. So everything is successfully completed. Okay, here I am changing one property, enable past events. Run again. So event wait is waiting for the event. We are not enable that past events. So event trace release that event, but event wait it's looking for that event. When we enable, then only it will receive that event, then the next execution will start. Okay, so for internal dependency we can create these events in between any one of the session. If your first session in first level, your dependent session in the 10th level. Okay, so this is the first level. Okay, second level, this is first level, this is second level, third, fourth. Okay, like this, if your dependent session, the parent session in the first level, the dependent session in the 10th level. So internally you can create this file trace and event wait and event trace. Okay, so like that we can create dependencies. And next, worklet and maplet related, same, both are same. In the maplet, multiple transformations we can create in the maplet. Okay, instead of creating the same transformation, same logic in the mapping, we can create that logic in the maplet and we can use a number of times. Here also, if you created a workflow with some 20 sessions, in that 20 sessions, if you want to split that sessions execution to identify easy bugs, which sessions are failing, which sessions are running, performance or anything, if you want to observe, if you want to reuse the same session multiple times in multiple workflows, you can create the worklets. Okay, so go to worklet create. Okay, these sessions we can reuse it here. Okay, save it. Just from here drag and drop the worklet. Okay, so we can reuse a number of times. Save it, run. So still it is running. We need to close this because event we are not enable that past event. Okay, now it's running. So this is the worklet. So this worklet we can reuse a number of times. Okay, so basically the worklet, maplet and reusable transmission, these all are for reusable concept. Okay, so these are the advanced tasks in the workflow. And we have one more, the scheduler, scheduling the workflows. Using timer we can schedule the sessions. Using schedulers we can schedule the workflows. Here we have non-reusable schedulers and reusable schedulers. So I am creating a non-reusable scheduler. Here you can make reusable also, this one. go to scheduler, run on integration surveys, run once or run every day. So customized also you have, and start on this day means run on this day, end on this day, end after 1 runs or second 2 runs, end forever. So different options you have. Currently we are doing run on demand. Okay, so run on integration service, we can maintain the time here 18. Okay, click on OK, run once. I'm changing to 19. Run once. Okay, here you got the time. Run once, run on integration initialization 19, number of runs only once. Okay, save it. Schedule workflow. So you will get here the scheduled workflow. So 12:19 is the time to execute this workflow. So we have different options. We can pick other options to schedule daily wise or hourly basis. So based on that also we can schedule these workflows. Still 12:19, 12:18, 12:19 is our scheduled time. Okay, 12:19 it started. So like this we can schedule the workflows also. These are non-reusable schedulers. We have reusable schedulers. Go to workflow, scheduler. Okay, new, same process, each and everything same. Okay, 21, both the options are same. Close, workflows, edit, scheduler, reusable. Select this one we can reuse for any other schedulers also. Okay, schedule workflow. So now we got this one, right? These are the reusable schedulers we can use for any other workflows also, but non-reusable schedulers only for particular workflows. Okay, so from here we are creating reusable schedulers, and from here also we can create non-reusable, we can make reusable also. Okay, so like this we can create the schedulers to schedule the workflows. So still it's waiting for the time 12:21. The time is. So this is the Informatica scheduler. Okay, 12:21 time, it's running. So these are the total advanced tasks and options here. In session level and workflow level we have some theoretical part. I will explain in the next class. Okay, thank you.